Hey there, future engineers. Today, we're diving into the world of Arduino. If you're just starting out, here's what you need to know. First off, a starter kit is a great place to begin. You can find affordable kits on Amazon or similar sites. These kits come with everything you need to get started, and you'll learn a lot by figuring out the instructions and code. For the main device, you can start with a basic Arduino Uno or a compatible device. Official devices cost around $30, but you can find compatible ones for as low as $5. Kits are also available if you want to get going with minimal research and fuss. Elegoo offers several kits that are worth looking at. Another option is the Pi Pico, which is very cheap and offers a much faster microcontroller than the Arduino. All Pi Picos can be programmed through the Arduino IDE. When it comes to components, there are plenty of options. You can find decent packs of components on eBay and hobbyist shops. Chinese sellers are great for buying components cheaply, but be cautious of counterfeit ICs and slow shipping. Some essential components to start with include resistors, diodes, inductors, op-amps, capacitors, LEDs, transistors, and jumper wires. You can also get sensors like the DS18B20 temp sensor and LDRs, which are fun to play with. 555 timers offer endless enjoyment and are cheap to boot. Don't forget to check out SparkFun or Adafruit for more components and accessories. Component packs can be found in many places, so don't buy just a few resistors, get 100. Lastly, you'll probably want a multimeter. An oscilloscope is useful if you want to see what's really happening in your circuits, but it's not essential at the beginning. That's it for today. Happy tinkering, and remember, the world of Arduino is full of endless possibilities. See you